Hello, this is Pete or Kenshin1913 along with
Mom.
And this is another Cooking with Kenshin1913. What are we making today?
Coleslaw.
Okay, so we're going to do some coleslaw. I actually have pre-shredded coleslaw, just the vegetable end of it. Some sugar, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, celery seed, and apple cider vinegar. Coleslaw is nothing more than grated cabbage. Usually it has some carrot in it as well. And I like the one that actually has also the grated purple cabbage. The one that I bought this time, they didn't have that particular brand, so we're just gonna do with this. Now, if you wanted to shred your own, that would be absolutely fine. This is very easy. Coleslaw, of course, goes with a lot of different dishes. We're actually going to be eating it tonight with our previous recipe of pulled pork. But people love it for a barbecue, and it's one of those kind of versatile dishes. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is a half, so I'm going to sprinkle it around.
Now, so we're going to be using this for our pulled pork here. And coleslaw doesn't specifically need to be just cabbage. I think that you can make a slaw out of
you can do out of broccoli. I'm sure you've heard of broccoli slaw as well.
Yeah.
We're going to add some pepper.
This is probably about the same amount of sugar, maybe a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Maybe a little less.
If you like it a little hotter, you can do that as well. Some salt. Probably be about the same thing, about a teaspoon worth. I'm gonna add some celery seed, which is about a half a teaspoon.
Now what is celery seed?
Just the celery that's been ground up. You could add fresh celery if you'd like, and you would grind that very, very fine. So as you can see, the celery seed is kind of like an oregano.
Now, do you have to add celery seed?
No.
Is celery seed difficult to find? Let me ask you.
No, it's with the spices.
Okay.
So I'm gonna mix this all around, and at this point you can just use your hands. Oh, there's one little piece of red cabbage in here. There. Wow. Okay. So we just mix that, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can add lemon juice.
Yeah, because you need it for the acidity, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And let me ask you about coleslaw. You can make this ahead of time, of course.
Oh,
right?
definitely. It actually is better when it sits for a little while. All the flavors meld together. And you want to serve it cold.
Oh, you want to serve it cold, okay. So we'll refrigerate it.
So we're going to mix this around. I can't get over that one little piece of the purple cabbage.
Yeah. So yeah, what else could you use coleslaw with?
People use it as a side dish for lots of things. The only thing that's calorie wise is by putting some of the mayonnaise in it. And also you can do just a vinaigrette coleslaw, so you can add all the seasonings that we just spoke about, and instead just add a drizzle of olive oil and then put more vinegar in it, and so it's eaten more like a cabbage salad. So I have about 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm going to see how it gets blended. I might need a little bit more.
Yeah, so after this, what you got? Just refrigerate it?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not a big fan of coleslaw, so my mom's totally gonna eat this. And we'll probably end up putting it on a pulled pork sandwich or something to show you what it's like. But after you make it, how long do you think you gotta let it sit in the fridge then?
Oh, maybe an hour.
Okay. And you could buy coleslaw just by itself, but doesn't it feel better to make it yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
There's something, I mean, I don't mind eating coleslaw, you know, at a restaurant or when we're out, but there definitely is something, a different taste to it.
right.
So this actually did the trick. If you want more mayonnaise in here, you can, but as you can see, it's all coated. So I don't like it like totally saturated with mayonnaise, but this is all covered and looks great. So I'm going to transfer it into a smaller bowl with a cover and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, here we are with our coleslaw, and Pete's got the big
one. As you can see, it's been sitting in the fridge for about over an hour. So, you know, I don't like coleslaw, so this is all my mom.
And I love coleslaw.
So what do you get out of it?
Perfect.
How can you describe it? Is it creamy?
Creamy,
Crunchy.
yeah. Has just enough flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
Yeah, nice. So yeah, if you want to make coleslaw, it's very easy to do, and you know all the ingredients that are going in it pretty much. So I've been Pete, or Kenshin1913, along with
Mom.
This has been another Cooking with Kenshin1913.
Enjoy and happy eating.